Hey family, Dad here. Hope you're having a great day. On this video, I just wanted to talk about my escrow account. So recently I got an email from my lender, Wells Fargo, for my mortgage. Shockingly, surprising me, saying that I have an escrow shortage of $1,700. So clearly my bank estimated that my property taxes were too low for this past year. So what is an escrow account? According to my bank's website, Wells Fargo, essentially, it's when you purchase a home, your lender, which in this case is Wells Fargo, may establish an escrow account to pay for property taxes and homeowners insurance, which I do. So every time I make a mortgage payment, which is roughly $1,605 per month, part of it goes into our escrow account. So my mortgage itself is roughly about $1,060 per month, and that goes directly to my mortgage. Now, additionally, I have another $545 per month that I pay that goes towards my property taxes and my homeowner's insurance. Now, for some people, they probably just opt to pay in one lump sum every year of property taxes and homeowner's insurance, where I think majority of us in general, I don't know what the data is, but majority of us probably pay our homeowner's insurance and our escrow account property taxes bundled together with our mortgage payment. So this was definitely an unexpected expense. For the first half, since last year, about 6 months out of the year, I paid roughly about $100 more towards my escrow account. I thought that my maybe property taxes or my escrow account wouldn't be as short, but nonetheless, obviously it is. The only thing I could see possible why there was such a huge gap, why there was an outstanding balance, is probably property taxes. Property probably went up significantly, thus the shortage. Now, obviously, I'm not a huge fan of unexpected expenses, but it happens. I've shared on previous videos of a lot of these unexpected expenses, and this is definitely one of them. And what I'll do is I'll just use proceeds of my emergency fund to pay for this escrow shortage by the end of July. So I have a couple options. Obviously, I'm going to pay it up front, the outstanding balance of $1,700. Or what other people do as well is they'll just pay that $1,700 into 12-month payment installments. That would be added to their mortgage. So I think if I opted to do that, my mortgage payment for the next 12 months would go up to roughly about from $1,605 to, I think it was roughly $1,750, $1,760 per month. And that's not the route that I want to go through. So instead, like I said, I just I'll pay the $1,700 in lump sum. But starting in August, what's happening is my bank is going to just increase my mortgage payment slightly, just to kind of forecast and hopefully balance out my escrow account to zero for next year, same time next year. So my new mortgage payment will be from $1,605 to $1,650. So it's a difference of $45 per month. And that $45 per month will go towards my escrow account, hopefully zero it out for the next 12 months. So I won't have any kind of shortage for next year's payment. So hopefully that made sense. Again, I'm not a professional. It's just I came across this outstanding shortage, which surprised me, knocked me off my feet, and I'm going to pay it with my emergency fund instead of 12 monthly installments for the next 12 months. And also know the fact that my new mortgage payment effective August will go up another $45 per month. Hopefully, thinking that the bank thinks that they're forecasting for the next 12 months that property taxes will go up. But hopefully I won't have to pay the shortage for next year. So tell me your thoughts. Have you had an escrow shortage before? Tell me what that looks like. How is it compared to mine? Comment, like, subscribe. I would definitely appreciate it. So that's all I got. You all have a great day.